Baby? Baby? Are you fine? No, you don't look fine. What happened? Are you stressed about your work? Come here. Come here. I'll give you a massage. Come here. Okay, I'll come there. What happened, love? Are you stressed about your job? No, don't stress about your job. I said you're right. I'll take care of you. You are very precious to me. Very precious. Baby, तुम्हारे सारी requirements, adjustments, सब मुझे मंजूर है. सब. I just want to see you happy. Just happy, that's it. Think about quitting the job. Please. You know, right? I love you. I love you so much. So much. Alekia, what happened to your phone? I was calling you from past 2 hours. I think you're busy in some other call. No. I was at this Baskin Robbins. Thought I could get some ice cream takeaway. But तुम्हारा call तो मिला नहीं. Hey, relax. You don't need to explain that to me, okay? No, it's all fine. Don't stress. We'll plan it some other time. Give me 5 minutes. I'll just fresh up and I'll be back, okay? Baby, मैं हूँ ना तुम्हारे लिए. I'll get the groceries. You know, it's not safe walking in that street at this night. I remember. That grocery guy, Manoj. Short one, black hat. तो तुम सिर्फ तुमको ही डिस्काउंट देते हैं ना वो. I know. Anyway, smells good. What's cooking tonight? अलेकिया, तुम्हारी वो दोस्त अंशु, वो हमेशा तुम्हें क्यों कॉल करती है? आर यू लव गुरु और व्हाट? नो. शी माइट बी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, बट आई थिंक शी इज जेलस ऑफ अस. I don't want it to have any bad effect on our relationship, okay? Just keep your distance from her. Baby, I love you. You know I love you, right? I love you, baby. Baby, I have a plan. Let's go out this weekend. I'll switch off my mobile, you switch off yours. Let's have some quality time. रात को हम जल्दी सो गए थे ना? But I've checked your WhatsApp. Your last scene was at 2:30. Aren't you feeling sleepy? You could have woken up me, right? मिलके गप्पे मारते थे. Baby, by the way, you're using your phone too much. आंखें खराब हो जाएगी यार. Please try to understand. I care for you. Friends can wait. You know I care for you. I want you to be healthy. Always. Always. Alekia, who was that guy? Yeah, Preetham, right? Did you notice his eyes? His eyes were completely on your boobs. I don't understand how you make these type of friends. You have to understand how boys think, okay? I'm a boy, I know. यार मैं तुम्हारे अच्छे के लिए ही बोल रहा हूँ. Okay, anyway, your friends, your wish. I don't want to say anything. Who's this guy? He sent you a friend request couple of days before, right? Oh, and you accepted him as well. Who's he? Your friend? Your relative? Oh, your brother? No? Then who the random fuck he is? Alekia, answer me. I was trying to call you so many times. You are not even replying to my messages. Alekia, I was so worried about you. Oh, I guess you are busy with your boy friends, right? Boy friends. Of your friends, group catch up, हाँ? लड़के भी थे क्या? I enjoy your company. I don't understand why you don't enjoy my company. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बताना यार. Same if there is any problem. I don't know what you say to your friends. They treat me like a piece of shit. Are you saying something bad about me? Is that what you do in your group catch-ups? Come on, answer me, Alekia. What's going on? Do you or your cousins have nothing better to do? Always on phone. As soon as she calls you, you go into the room and lock yourself. Secrets, huh? What are you talking about? Is it about me? Is it something I shouldn't know? I think she is your top priority, right? Alekia, did you withdraw $1,000 yesterday? Because I got the notification on my phone. What are you doing with all those money? Did you buy something? No? Are you spending it on someone else? ये फोटो देखा? Look at you. You are so fat in this. ये फोटो में तेरी दोस्त निकिता है ना? You know what happened in the office? एक लड़की मुझे डेट के लिए पूछ रही थी और मैं तुम्हारे साथ. By the way, she was damn hot. You must be really thankful to me. Alekia, you gotta get one thing straight. You're never gonna find someone like me. No one's gonna deal with your bullshit, okay? Just me and me. Feel lucky that you have me in your life, okay? इसे ड्रेस कहते हैं क्या? किसको दिखाने के लिए? Look at your thighs, sleeves. तुम्हें जरा भी ड्रेसिंग सेंस नहीं है ना? कभी तुम्हारे लेग्स को देखा तुमने? They are fat as fuck. पहले वो स्कर्ट छोड़ो, कुछ अच्छी सी जीन्स पहनो. I'll be waiting in the car. What are all those smiles and giggles in the party? मेरे कोलिग से इतनी चिपक के बात करने की क्या ज़रूरी है? It was absolutely disgusting. And what are those clothes? You look like a slut. हंसना मुस्कुराना whatever. सब लोग मुझे देख रहे थे. Fuck you. Just come to the house. हाँ? पागल हो गए तुम? When did I say all those things? Are you mad or what? Don't imagine things, okay? And come to any conclusions. What? I have said you 1,000 times about Anshu. I asked you to be very careful with her, didn't I? All of a sudden she started involving in our relationship. Listen. Maybe she might be your best friend, but I don't give a shit. She's calling me. She's saying me what to do, how to take care of you. Ask her to fuck off. Tell her not to call me again. Listen. I'm not gonna bear it anymore, Alekia. This is the last warning. Why are you crying? Oh, so you think you are the most prettiest girl in this world? Look at you. Anyway, I don't know what you do, where you go when I go for work. Whenever I see your phone, Akshay, Puneet, Manoj, who are all these idiots? That's exactly why I have to keep checking up on you, bitch. Oh, now stop this drama. Stop crying, please. Please. Babe, do you really mind asking your dad for some money? I got this really big opportunity. It's very important for you and me. I know you supported me initially and you will support me now. Please ask for some money. I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Yaar, please stop bothering me. Your money is safe. I told you I'll return it to you. Just give me some time. Alekia, stop questioning me. एक रख के दूंगा, अकल टिकाने आ जाएगा. You always wanted to leave, right? चलो, come on. Get the hell out of here. Come on. Don't ever show your fucking face again. चलो, get out. Baby, please मुझे छोड़ के मत जाना. I'm sorry. मैंने गलती किया. Please मुझे छोड़ के मत जाना. Baby, please. तुम्हारे बिना मैं जी नहीं सकता हूँ. तुम्हारे पैर पकड़ूंगा. Please. मैं गलती किया. Please. तुम्हारे बिना जी नहीं सकता हूँ. Please, baby, मुझे छोड़ के मत जाना. Please, मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. I'm really sorry. Please. I have said you 1,000 times not to interrupt me while I'm busy, but you don't fucking understand. Shut the fuck up, you bloody bitch. Oh, तुम मुझे और गुस्सा दिला रही हो. You deserve this. This happened because of you. Now get the hell out of my house.